Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to request a refund on booking.com. To request a refund on booking.com via the booking.com web app, follow these step-by-step instructions. The first thing you need to do is to launch a web browser and visit booking.com. So log in, just go ahead and launch the web browser, and if prompted, follow the on-screen prompt to log in. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you into this fantastic homepage with an amazing user interface. Now, after logging in, go ahead and click on your profile name, which is in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and you're going to be presented with a drop-down menu, including Manage Account, Bookings and Trips, Genius Loyalty Program, Rewards and Wallets, Reviews, Saves, and Sign Out. So from this drop down, go ahead and click on Bookings and Trips. And it's going to take you to the Bookings and Trip window. From here, you can locate the reservation for which you need a refund. I do not have a reservation, so there's literally nothing to display here. But if you do, you'll find everything here. So once you've located the reservation for which you need a refund, click on the booking to view its details. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to the reservation details page. In the reservation details page, scroll down to review the cancellation and refund policy under the booking details. It is necessary for you to do that. So ensure the reservation qualifies for a refund. Example, eligible for free cancellation or refundable booking. The next step is to initiate the refund request. If your reservation qualifies for a refund, click the cancel booking button or link. Follow the cancellation process and confirm your decision. Of course, once the cancellation is complete, booking.com will automatically process your refund if applicable. If your booking does not qualify for an automatic refund, or you need to request a refund for other reasons, example, issues during your stay, these are the steps that you need to follow. Click the Contact Customer Service at the top right of the screen, which we have in here. It's going to take you to the Help Center. Now, in the Help Center, select Refunds or type Refund Request into the search bar. Then, if prompted, choose a specific booking you're inquiring about. Select your preferred method to contact booking.com, either via message or call. Be prepared to provide relevant details such as your booking ID, date of stay or trip, reasons for a refund, and of course, attach supporting documents if requested. Once your request is submitted, Booking.com will provide a case reference number. You can track the status of your refund by navigating to the Bookings and Trips section or waiting for updates via mail. I'd like you to note that refunds for eligible cancellations are usually processed automatically within the time frame mentioned in the policy. Non-refundable bookings may require special approval from the property, and refunds are not guaranteed. For payment-related issues, you might also need to contact your bank or payment provider. Now, these steps will help you effectively request a refund on Booking.com web app. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.